Are you a tea person or a coffee lover? Choosing the perfect coffee machine is already tough. But finding one on a tight budget? Even tougher. So for today's video, I've picked the Wonderchef Regenta Espresso coffee maker. Let's see if it actually lives up to our expectations. Or if it's just another overhyped product. Alright, let's get straight into the unboxing. The Regenta comes in this clean box with all the key specs listed on the side. Opening it up, we're greeted with the paperwork. A nice thank you note, the manual, and a warranty card. Next, we have this dual-purpose measuring spoon and tamper for your coffee grounds. Then, the heavy-duty metal porter-filter assembly. Now, check this out. The 240 milliliter glass carafe is packed separately in its own box for extra safety. I love that attention to detail. And finally, the star of the show, the machine itself. Let's take a closer look at the build. Setting this up is actually very straightforward. Right here at the top is where you lock in your portafilter. Just a quick turn and it's secure. Now take a look at the right side. You've got this multi-function control knob with 3 settings: off, coffee, and steam for frothing. We'll test those out in a second. This wand on the side is your milk frother for those creamy lattes. Down at the base, you get a removable drip tray to keep things clean. And finally, right on top is the pressure cap. Unscrew this to pour your water into the boiler. Let's get brewing. Time for the best part. Let's brew. First, pour your water into the boiler. Pro tip: make sure you seal this top cap extra tight. If it's loose, steam escapes and you won't get enough pressure for a good espresso. Now, let's talk coffee. Be careful here. Instant coffee powder will not work with this machine. You specifically need espresso ground coffee. I'm using the provided scoop to fill the filter. Check the measurement marks inside so you don't overfill it. Give it a firm press with the tamper. Lock the portafilter into its place. Slide the glass jar underneath and switch the knob to coffee mode. Here we go. Now we wait. It usually takes about 2 minutes for the pressure to build and the extraction to finish. And just like that, your fresh, home-brewed coffee is ready. The aroma in the room right now is incredible. Now, let's level up this coffee with some froth. Switch the knob to the steam setting and give it a few seconds to build up pressure. I've got some cold milk here. Just place the steam wand into the milk and let it work. You'll hear that distinct hiss. That's the air creating that creamy texture. In just about 30 to 40 seconds, you've got cafe quality foam. Now, here is a golden rule for any coffee maker owner. Always clean the steam pipe immediately after use. And of course, don't leave the coffee grounds sitting in the filter. Knock them out and give the filter a quick rinse under running water. Talking about power consumption, it's only 800 watts, so it won't heavy up your electricity bill. I really hope you enjoyed today's unboxing of the Wonderchef Regenta. If this helped you decide on your next coffee maker, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Unbox Unveil for more tech and home appliance reviews. I'll be back soon with another exciting product. Until then, stay caffeinated and keep dreaming big. See ya!